Thank you.
No mansion house. Keep this luggage inside.
Luggage? There's no luggage.
Hey, look at me, man. I am luggage.
What are you blabbering?
I am drunk.
I can see that very well.
Why did you take the bus
Hey,
from here,
be
man?
careful where you hit me.
Hey, now you take me inside.
Get in. Careful, I can't bear your weight.
Don't the luggage be damaged, man. You should take care of it.
Hey, get up, don't get me hurt.
Useless
Be
fellow.
careful, man.
Watch out, watch out. Come on, be seated. There you go,
Thanks.
throwing tantrums. Hello, sir.
New conductor?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
K. Subbaya.
My name is Vinayagam. Everybody calls me Anne, sir.
Anna, sir?
All these folks were calling me Anna. In the same town, I have become a teacher. So they have joined both. Now they call me Anna, sir. Now I'm retired and I'm the Panchayat president. But Anne, sir, has not changed so far. One, Panakad.
Please be careful with the chicken. Bring it carefully.
Praise the Lord, son.
Praise the Lord.
What is there in the basket behind you,
It's
man?
country chicken, brother. If I leave it in the home, dog or some animal will eat it.
Saving it from them and you're going to eat it off?
I did the sin, I will eat it. He's very clear with these things, huh?
He's always very clear.
Can we start? It's not a toffee which is in your hand, nah. Just blow it.
Am I drunk or you are drunk, man?
This is my first time. Ticket.
Every day in the evening, this bus goes to Pannakadu from Parani, and both the driver and conductor will stay there. Morning, they come back to Parani. Their job is only one trip per day. This story is all about the common man who travels with them in the same bus. That is the story. This is going to be like a hill travel with a lot of twists and turns. Very interesting, this winter journey.
Hey, go from here, you old beauties.
He won't stop for all these old female. If these are young girls, then he'll go up to the home and pick them up and come. The driver's habit is all this type only.
Did you see over here? Even for young girl, vehicle didn't stop. Did you see that?
Even the crow can change its color, but he will never change from his habits. Have you seen that? If there is somebody elderly speaking something, it is not words, it's life. Do you understand?
What? Are you new?
Enough of your staring. Be seated. Don't you dare touch my whistle.
Hey, move and sit from there.
Bro, I only came first with these eggs.
Hey, first comes the hen, then comes the egg. One
What?
kick I'll give you now. Move from here and sit. Move, fast.
Are you doing good?
Yeah, just feeling good now. You look like a nice piece of sweet.
Brother, put a stop to your flirting. We're already getting delayed.
This bugger is jealous always.
Brother, someone hasn't bought a ticket.
Nobody will travel without a ticket. All are regular travelers here. Just count properly and see.
I've counted them all. Still, someone has missed my ticket. Hello,
Yes?
I have a suspicion on you, mister. Have you bought a ticket or drunk with that money?
Hey, if we don't drink, man, then you government servants will never get a salary at all. You know? Government is running with our money only.
Mister, don't talk politics. I don't like it.
So, the politicians are always drinking, only speaking.
Mister, what am I talking and what are you blabbering? Have you bought the ticket or not?
Allah taken that.
Show
Yes,
me.
he's-
It could be even some old ticket. Can't trust you. This is a new ticket. Have it. Who could it be?
Hey, bus came. Black Bros here.
Hey, don't call him brother, yahan.
Wow, what a good smell now. All this while we only had chicken and eggs. Now only some flowers are coming in. Ah, what a beauty. Hey, I can't see one flower. Where is Muttalag?
She is pregnant.
You are not yet pregnant, right?
I am doubtful.